everyone, today this is my second video. As you can see, this is my new box, and this box is actually says LOL OMG. So this is like series 2, as you can see in the box, and this is packaged really good, and I'm really excited to show you what is inside because this is from someone else, like from my previous video, my birthday video, and this is now my second video, so I'm really happy. And I'm going to show you my brother's gift that he gave me on my birthday. I just wanted to say that today is a even special day, so for me, so then for my birthday surprise is going to be so good. So I'm gonna show you all of this packaging. So now let's start opening. So as you can see, I'm going to open this. We don't need that. Okay. And wait. Woo. There she is. So this is the opening magazine. As you can see, this is like a foldable magazine. So you need to fold it, and then there you are. Okay, this one. And this is a little book, like a little magazine that you don't really need, but I always keep these. And then something happens, like there's a little unboxing area here that you can see. So this is another little stage view here, and I can see here there's a little light and lots of building things in a chair too. But this is only cardboard on top. So, and these are some wedge boots. As you can see, we don't need very fashionable boots for just working because she has a job. And as you can see, this little model here. So she's always going to some area that she needs simple shoes, just as the box is showing. And so these are wedge boots. I like them. Has cool glasses that you can't really see on the fashionable box, but this is really cool if she wants to wear it. And lots of other jewelry, like a little necklace and with a heart on it, so that's really cool. I'm gonna keep that in there, and I'm gonna keep, wow, there's a lot of things in here. And there's also a bit of like earrings that they show in the box too. And everything's on the box so I can see how it looks. And then these are golden hoop earrings. Here's the jacket. And as you can see, as LOL, they mostly keep the pins off somehow. They pop off. But this is a really cool jacket. And the pockets don't really open on them. But this is a really cool jacket that really fits on. Wow, look at what's in here. Oh, that's really nice. Also, because LOL actually has so many details on this jumpsuit, and because you can also keep, like, these are real pockets at the back of the suit, you can also keep the key. You can actually keep the key inside of the pocket. So that is really cool. And that is all the things, but let's see the doll now. And there is the doll. So this is the little bright doll that she's inside. So she's stuck mostly, but then you can pull her out. So this is really hard to pull her out. And there she is. So this is the doll, how she's looking, and the bathing suit is actually designed really carefully, because if you don't get the design right, it doesn't really look good. But I love this doll, and she's amazing. So now let's get her dressed. And mostly there's more things inside. There's a little doll stand. Well, there's also instructions on how to get on the doll. Let's see. And this is her accessory, like more accessories that she needs. And we're missing the bag. So I think this is going to be the bag. Let's see. Wow. So this is actually a lock on the bag, as you can see really close. So you can take out the lock somehow, but I'm not going to take it off. It looks so cute like this. And also this little, can you strap this? Oh yes, you can. So you can move the straps, how much she waist is, and this is a really cool, has a comb included Wow, that's really poppy and stuck inside. Looks like. And let's take this outfit off. Like there's a little label at the back that you can take it off and put it on too. Wow, that's really stuck inside. There we go. We do need these stands how they show. Mostly the doll, her hair. Look at that, it's all puffy. And now let's dress her. Let's put her legs inside first. Look at that. Let's see. Okay. This is really hard to put the doll on the legs, mostly. But if you try more, then it might go in one day. Ugh. So after a long time, you have to keep trying to put it on. But I love the suit, and I really tried to put it on, and it worked, actually. If you just press and press and press, then it might work. So you have to put the chain because this keeps dangling along. So I put, look at that. You can also put the key inside of the pocket. Now I can't, but wow. Yeah, see? Now she can work like this. And there's also a jacket for her here. So yeah, to try putting this on yourself, being inside yourself. But I love the way they put the jacket and the suit because you can see a bit of the red, just like the box shows. And now you can put the accessories on her. They're wedged and they're back at the top, yellow. Wow, look at that. And also brown. So this is mostly the best shoes I've ever seen. Look at that, looks really close up cool as the doll looks. She needs more accessories. They showed that you have to put the long bit on the hole that the earrings have. And mostly these earrings can turn over as well, as it shows inside. So that's amazing. Now that is really golden. It's really golden. So you have to put it, you have to lay her down as well. So there, she looks amazing. But she's still not ready. You have to put the necklace on the little neck. So there, I put the necklace on the neck. And you can't really see it mostly, but that is really cool how she looks now. There's a little bag, so you can tangle her as you want, and then there you go. There's a little doll, how she looks, and she's amazing. Thank you, my brother, who gave this gift, and I really love it. So you can put the doll on the back, and so thank you. This is really cool. And also when you want to design, or if you have a table and you want to put a house for her, then you can actually use the bags as a carpet. I used it in the other setting, and this is how the box looks. You can also use like things as a shower and this and that, how you want. And they also give you a play set. So this is so cool. And then this is amazing. So this is really fun with this doll, and thank you for watching to be end to end how I showed you the video. So bye.